driver.
Alright, drivers, take a look down the top of your steering console. There's a number on the top of the console that tells you which car is yours. You're going to be driving a 00 in the orange Crush Machine. Your lady here's going to have the blue streak number 2. Alright? Down here in the end we get the yellow Get Happy car and the 74 from Odovan, the original odor eliminator since 1980. They are available at Walmart and Home Depot, our national sponsor for this year with Fast Action Motorsports Entertainment. Drivers, shifters in the forward position for flat out Fast and Furious, back to a cue for reverse. All turns, left-hand turns, into marks and set. Let's go racing. All the pictures we've been taking today will be posted on our Facebook page, facebook.com/Fame Racing. Do a search for Fast Action Motorsports. First car to find the start and finish line was Odovan in the green 74. Orange 00 right there with it, blue 2. And the Get Happy car running on the outside wall. Try to get it off the wall so you get the speed. It's not going to go very fast when you're rubbing on the outside wall like that. That's going to slow you down. 74-year race leader Odovan out front. Orange 00 running second. Blue 2 from third.
Crazy drivers here.
All right, Odovan takes the win in the 74 car. Let's get some flags out here to our race winners and all of our drivers here today. 74 takes the win. There you go.